Cool exhibit. Trying to do like a living forest there. Toronto's favorite trees. Eh? What are they, maple? Yeah, it looks like a maple forest. Oh, look at all the animals. The squirrels. They put birds in everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Look, fungus. A couple of deer. Let's go to the back cave. Check out the back cave there, baby. Ooh, that guy's ugly. Ooh, that guy's ugly too. Those bats are ugly. Yeah, that's how they use sonar, right? Fruit bats. You see the vampire bats. Oh, right here, vampire bats. Look. Look, the common vampire bat. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is wicked. Look at that. Look, he's got him in his mouth. Vampire bats. Of course, Batman. And Nostradamus. Nosferatu. Sorry. They're ugly, eh, babe? The bats are flying everywhere. It's called a sky fox from the States, and these big guys. Hey, babe, look at that thing. It's called a sky fox.